We are doing a hike near Pine Grove Furnace today. Looking at the low water. The sun shining on there. That's bright.
Yeah, look at this. This should all be filled up to there. This is all
Yeah.
usually underwater.
Isn't that something? Wow.
Really dry summer.
Do you think it would be up to where the moss starts on the rock?
Yeah.
Probably.
Yep. Yeah, because this is all supposed to be covered.
We haven't been out for a good while because it's been so hot. So hot and humid. It's nice in here though. I wish the whole trail was like this. I love this.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
Tree
Yeah,
down.
that's a fresh one.
Yep.
Gee. Hate to see that.
There was
It
another.
does look like that.
There's one over there too. Oh, there's one
Wild.
behind that log too.
Wild cardinal flowers. Sure does look like it. Probably is.
Because they're supposed to be native to PA, right? I mean, just grow naturally.
And is that Joe Pye weed?
I believe so.
I think everything that's tall and has flowers is Joe Pye weed.
Yeah. No,
But I think that is it.
Yeah, I think so. Yep.
Pretty.
No, I don't know if this will allow us to go further. This is all muddy down there with
Yeah.
the stream, so we're gonna have to back out and then come back on it.
What's over here?
Yeah.
To go back out on the road for a while. See the little red leaves already? Oh yeah. Look at, they're so pretty there.
Pretty.
One's right in the sunshine.
Yeah. Isn't that pretty?
Yes. So delicate looking. Blooms are.
The color's beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
It's very vibrant.
Look at the teeny tiny little mushroom log.
No babies.
Little baby mushroom log. I hear the frog.
Yeah, I hear a frog in the distance.
We're on the swamp trail right now. This is a nice soft trail. Oh, nice ferny area. I remember.
The skunk cabbages.
Oh, they all died,
Gone.
yeah. I remember this spot. Here's where all the fish eggs were.
Yeah.
I heard something again.
Yeah, me too. It's a bear.
Yep.
That was a bear. Yeah, and this is all dried up because remember this was like closer.
Right.
Wow.
And this was
all swamp.
Yeah, this was there's gelatinous balls were in here of the eggs
Yeah.
floating around.
And this is all
Mossed over.
dried.
Yeah.
A little mud going up here. This would be a good trail to bring like little kids on to look for creatures and stuff, you know, little
To see all different kinds of nature and
biology kind of. Okay.
that looks like somebody's little bed right there, doesn't it?
Where?
Right here.
Oh.
Just crawl in there and go to sleep.
Yeah.
Some little creature.
Nice in here. I would love to just sit here or lay down.
Yeah, so quiet, peaceful.
There's a jogger with a dog out there.
Here's the swimming pool. You going for a dip? I don't think we were at this end.
No,
We were at the other end.
Because the entrance in the pool is down there. There's two entrances
Yeah.
where it's cut out. The cement's cut out.
So, at one time, this was probably like for the park.
Yeah.
At one time, the swimming pool.
What does this say? Maybe it says. Oh, here it is.
Oh,
Girl Scout Camp swimming pool.
Oh.
1934.
oh,
Look
cool.
at that. And there's a picture of it.
Oh, how did we miss that? Or maybe it wasn't there before. Looks like
I don't think we came up here. Please do not remove. Look at all the girls sitting on the wall with their little swim caps on.
That is cool.
Isn't that cool?
That's
That is
very
neat.
cool.
Yep.
This is going to be great for the video.
Yeah.
Huh. And it's right in the woods too.
Yeah.
Look at
Now
this.
there's trees growing in the
Look
pool.
at this line up here.
Uh-huh.
This line.
Yeah.
I don't know what that was. That is super cool.
So you know that some of these trees are pretty old then.
Yeah.
Like this is probably the biggest one
Yeah.
in here, in the pool.
Yeah.
Why is this concrete next to the trail? Copenhaver Trail. Concrete structures. They are remnants of an amusement park and summer camp, an unexpected legacy of the 19th century iron making at Pine Grove. The mining company needed income. Blah, blah, blah. So, from the railroad. So how do they do that? By increasing ridership. And so how did they induce people to take a train into the mountains? With an amusement park. 1878, the iron company built an attraction on 30 acres of land next to Mountain Creek. And so our modern Copenhaver Trail loops right through the site. The park was free, but people paid to ride the train to get there. So Pine Grove Park soon attracted more than 20,000 visitors annually from as far away as Harrisburg. So the attractions at the park included 10 pins, a pair of bowling alleys, flying horses, a water-powered merry-go-round, a bicycle racetrack, a rifle shooting range, a small area for playing baseball, a restaurant, picnic areas, fountains, and walking paths. Mountain Creek was dammed, creating a shallow, narrow lake for boats. Let's see, blah, blah, footbridges, yeah, blah, blah, blah. That's really cool. And here's some of the old ads, too. There's an old ad for the park, and then the train fees, and... So it closed in 1900, the park, and then in 1913 and 14 it became a summer camp for children from the Carlisle Indian Industrial School. Next, 1920, the Boy Scouts camped here. Then the Girl Scouts moved in 1921 to 67. There was a 60-foot pavilion, dining hall. And then, okay, so in 1934, there was federal money from the Great Depression relief that was used to build 90-foot swimming pool. So that's this.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, the pool was bitterly cold from the water from the mountain creek.
I bet. No wonder they were all sitting on the edge.
Oh my gosh.
I'm not getting in.
That is so interesting.
I love that. I think these are really cool. These old, like iron, guess it's iron or steel. Where they went in. It's there's the ladder. That's some pretty sturdy concrete that stayed there from 1934.
This is cool.
Now I'm gonna go up here and take the picture. Even some of the old paint's still on here. I guess these were lights down here, maybe? All along there? Right? I don't know. Okay.
My camera.
Looking at a cool mushroom. Look at that mushroom cluster. Looks like art, doesn't it?
Yeah. It's so pretty.
It is.
I wonder what kind it is.
Probably poison, really poisonous. Colorful stuff usually is. Huh.
It's really pretty. It's a bit old.
Came to a pretty spot on the trail. Nice bridge. Patty's up on the bridge. Place where there's a lot of ferns again. Just a leisurely hike today. Stopping to see things we haven't seen before, which is nice to do sometimes. So we've been going about an hour and a half or so.
I'm gonna get the map out, see where it goes.
Okay. Is that a cabin over there? Yeah,
There is a building.
there's a building.
What it is.
Is that the road up there then? Probably.
Guessing. Okay. Mountain Creek Trail.
That's
what we're
right.
on.
Okay.
We're on the little Mountain Creek Trail. So here's the bridge. Or maybe
Oh.
we're either here or here. I don't know.
We're probably
that
close
says-
to Laurel Lake, don't you think?
Yeah.
So
yeah.
we're probably there.
So this shows that it ends on, what's Biker Hiker Trail? Oh, I guess that's the railroad. Old railroad trail. So,
Out there with
or
the
that
house
one.
road.
Yeah, I'm guessing. So we'll see. I don't know. But yeah, okay, so it's, what did I say it was? Mountain Creek Trail.
Mountain Creek Trail. Let's try to remember that.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so
Just a
pretty.
little
Oh
trail,
my
but
goodness.
isn't it
Look how
nice?
pretty that is on
Yeah.
the video.
I'll get a picture of that too. Yeah, so that'll go up to the road. We go that way over the bridge. Yeah. So if we go over the bridge, it'll take us to the road. So we can either take the road back, or we can take the trail back.
The
Yeah.
same trail or a different trail?
Same trail. Yeah. So we can, because we're right here. Whoops. Let me get the. We're right here. There's the bridge right there. So if we cross over the bridge, it brings us to the old railroad trail.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So that'll that goes back. Or we can just go back on the trail, okay, and pick up the road again here, and it'll take us back to Fuller.
Okay, what do you want to do?
It's up to you. Just do
you
what
make,
you want.
you
No,
decide.
you decide. To me, I'm like, I don't care. So whichever you want to do.
I guess the trail.
Trail?
Yeah.
The one we came down?
Well, unless there's another one we can get.
No, just the road. I mean, that's not trail, but yeah, so we can go back to trail.
Okay, I want to see what the bridge is like. Well, this one's taller. I believe it's older, huh?
Cool. Oh, there's some cardinal flower growing. Look at that.
And
One
Joe
there,
Pye
Joe
weed.
Pye weed. Yeah.
That's what's on this side. People put their names in there.
Not as exciting on this side.
There's some more red things out of there.
Bobbers or?
Yeah, something.
Oh,
They're
down
by
there.
the rocks.
Yeah, that looks like, I don't know.
The water's pretty though. The sun shining on it. Yeah, what a nice day for a hike. Wow.
Beautiful.
Okay.
All right.